YouTube, we're not going with. So today is Sunday the 21st December 2025. Right now is near 2 o'clock. So what happens is me I wait for an Uber to head out to the airport, Chicago or here. So I fly out to Iowa, up to Lone Mountain to go pick up this truck. Well, hopefully pick up the truck. Because when I do no inspection, when I look on the truck, I don't know what I go on it. You know, I just see the truck on pictures and you know, I do some due diligence. I call the dealer, get information about the warranty work we done on the truck. I call the company who used to own the truck, I get the maintenance records there. I look through, not bad, but I need to go and physically check the truck and make my final decision. Deposit paid and everything, loan approved, just need to put pen to paper. So waiting on my Uber, and I'll just keep you guys posted as I go along. So just keep watching, and thanks for all who's been supporting the thing. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and click that thumbs up button. Appreciate it. So let's go. So Uber supposed to be right out here, so see him there. Yeah man. Yo! Uber man. Yeah man, that was quick. I was waiting a time like him never there far.
Michael?
Yes man, big up yourself my brother.
Nice.
Yeah man, not bad, not bad. Yeah man.
American Airlines Terminal 3?
Yes sir. Chicago or here.
Oh yeah.
There's a stop sign behind you on your left side. Please wait behind it. The sign is behind you.
Morning, morning. What time? 7:30. Yeah. 7:30. So head on over to Lone Mountain Yard. Get this business started. And I'm praying that everything goes well. And I can take this truck. Alright guys, so keep watching guys, keep watching. Opening the door. Outside is cold. GPS lady, where we are going now? Where we are going? Come on, talk.
Head west on Howard Street toward South 17th Street, then turn left onto South 17th Street.
Alright. This look funny. Is it so?
At the light, turn left onto South 17th Street. Then at the next light, you'll use the left 2 lanes to turn left.
Alright. Alright, so what we are looking for you now, YouTube? Yeah, we are gonna check this truck out. We're gonna try do a full pre-trip of this truck. To see to it everything is okay. What happened to this money off right now, man? Is that a jogger? Yeah. Full pre-trip. So
At the light, turn left onto Jackson Street.
Alright, yeah. Right, so as we say, we are going to do a full pre-trip, but we are going to look out for some specific things too, yeah? One thing we are going to look out for is that we want to see to it, say, the engine seem to be in good condition. So we are listening for sounds, unusual sounds, knocking on them kind of thing. And we are going to open the eye refill cap there, so and sit with so we don't have no blowback. So no exhaust now come through there, so nothing like them thing there. No fumes, no steams, because that would have been an indication say rings no good. Right. We are going to check the coolant to see if no oil residues in the coolant. Because if oil start going at the coolant, that means some kind of overheating that take place possibly, and or the oil cooler, engine oil cooler now work good, or head gasket bad or something like them thing there. You know, not a good sign that either. And we also are going to check the injector wiring harness there, so where you plug in, sit with so no oil now come out through into that, because that's not a good sign.
Go past this light. Then, at the next one, turn left onto South 13th Street.
And if it's possible, we will pull that fuel filter there, that one beside on the side of the engine there. So, and as usual, I'll check for ear leaks and all of them kind of things. And sit with your shocks them alright, your earbags them alright. Yeah, me get to understand say a virgin tire upon it. So yeah, we just have a full way eye, you know, and see if we can get that energy. You know, if you go to buy something and your vibes and your energy not right, you just leave it. If you have a bad feeling, you're going to be supposed to just fall in love with it, you know. So I see the thing. Lone Mountain, I'm here. Yeah.
Turn right, then your destination will be on the left.
Visitors parking. So we're there, guys. We're there. Lone Mountain. Oh, I'll turn off the light or something. Trucks. Mucho trucks. Kenworth. And them Kenworth have Cummins. But we can't afford them there. So here we are, guys. Lone Mountain.
Here's that, Michael. I am going to go ahead and let them know that you're here. A sales representative will be with you in a few minutes. If you want to take a seat, there's also some refreshments right around the corner if you want to take a seat.
Alright.
While you're awake.
Perfect, and is this where you're gonna be parking too, or? Yeah. Alright, so we'll do new and. And then you were registering the truck in, remind me. You are 5716, so you got the white one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why he said white, huh? Yeah.
So,
Okay, so
yeah.
I'm gonna let you at least turn it on and take a look at it.
Yeah.
When you're ready to test drive, come grab me so I can have you sign a form, okay? It's a test drive form.
Alright.
But yeah, pop the hood, look it over. Let me
Yeah,
know
man,
if you need anything,
I
okay?
surely do.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Alright. This is it, guys. YouTube. So we drive 12 miles to a pilot and we're on the way back now. The truck is running really okay. Transmission changing out smoothly. Running alright. I run it up to about 73 miles per hour. And you know, I slow down and it transmission, you know, gearing down alright. Everything, it's steady on the road, not dragging, you know. And so far all of my checks seems to be coming up with positive results. But I feel fairly pleased so far. And I'm gonna go ahead.
So today you're going to sign for a 2022 Freightliner for 40 months and a monthly payment of $1,775. It's not a walkaway contract. You will be responsible for the full amount of all payments. We do require all of our leases to be on automatic ACH withdrawals the entire lease, and it looks like you provided your personal Wells Fargo account.
Yes, checking on them. Yeah.
Okay, so that's the account we'll have on file for your automatic payments going forward. Your first payment will be on February 5th, right here. And it'll be on the 5th of every month going forward. You will be responsible for our repair maintenance costs going forward, and you'll be expected to follow the manufacturer's guidelines for all preventative maintenance. Purchase options, so once you do pay the lease off in full, we'll assign and deliver the title to you. At that time, we'll verify your address, your plates to assign and deliver the title. There's no discount or penalty if you end up paying off the lease earlier than scheduled, or if you just want to make additional payments at any amount, give me a call and we can set that up. And then we do report this to your personal credit as well, okay? Acceptance certificate, that says you're accepting the unit in the current condition and you agree to all the terms we talked about. And then standard terms and conditions, that's a legal recap of everything we covered. On that one, I just need your initials that you received it. And everything else in there is what you're gonna need to register the truck, which Ashley, she's gonna give you copies of all of them. Let's see this one. Okay, so that one says we don't have to collect your sales tax up front. Also, you're gonna get an automated email from us in probably in the next week or so. That's gonna give you instructions on how to register on our website. When you get it, just take a moment to register. That way you can log in online, see your lease details as you go. Okay. And then what else? We're gonna ask you for your plate number in about 10 to 20 days too. Congratulations.
Yeah, thanks. That's that YouTube. The documents are signed. I have my keys and I officially have my own truck. So I'm gonna head down the road to do the DOT and engine dyno test and see to it that all of that is good, and then I'm off to Chicago.